My name is Tommy Jackson. I'm the founder of the Grillhouse West. The Grillhouse West, we're an outdoor living space company. So we do still get clients that think we're a restaurant, but we do offer some of the top outdoor grills. We do designs, we do installations. Of course, we provide great customer service, sales, installations, deliveries, drop-offs. We normally cater to the American-made outdoor cooking systems. We sell what we believe in, and so we treat our clients like they're our family. We carry Lynx Professional, Lynx Sedona, as well as Twin Eagles, as well as Firemagic, DCS, Blaze, Soleil, Big Green Egg, Kamado Joe, Delta Heat, Primo. So we do outdoor kitchen designs as well, so we can help clients with layout. You know, if it's a linear shape, L shape, raised bar, if you want to do fireplaces, fire pits, pavers, yes, I mean, even if it's down to landscaping, you know, if there's certain things you want to do, we have the resources to do it all. Value of family, friends, and just enjoyment. Outdoor living is a great lifestyle. And also you can see who your kids are hanging with.
Ah, so that's a good one.
One of the things that make my business unique, other than myself, it's going to be just the relationships that I have with a lot of the manufacturers. I've either worked with or have known a lot of the owners, you know, for years. So some of the guys that are the top of these companies have worked alongside with me for years, and now branched out. And so the relationships that I have are really organic relationships that a lot of the big box stores don't have, so it's a true lifestyle. My name is Tommy Jackson. I'm the owner and founder of the Grillhouse West. Get your ass over here. No, no, okay, no. Call me.